bitch a lot. Old producer saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up. Talk of the time when you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things when your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up.
Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Vae. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick makeup look. Do not forget to comment down below and hit that subscribe button. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in, and let's get started. First, I'm going to take NYX's eyebrow pencil in the color chocolate, and I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. So let's clean up those brows. I'm going to go ahead and take e.l.f. concealer in the color medium beige, and I'm just going to clean up under my brows with that. On the top, I'm going to go ahead and use my foundation color, and that's going to be the NARS Radiant Finish Foundation in the color Macao. Alright, we're going to take our LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Orange Corrector, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes just to cancel out any dark circles. For the primer today, we're going to go ahead and take the Milk Hydro Get Primer. I love this primer because it's super sticky, so it adheres to the foundation very, very well. So if you haven't tried this primer, I suggest you guys go ahead to Sephora and get you one. So for our palette today, if you have not seen my haul already, probably dropped before this video, go ahead and check that out. But I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and I'm going to go ahead and start off with the color Musk. And we're going to just put that all over our mobile lid. And then I'm going to go in to a different palette, but I'll go ahead and show you guys. So for our second palette, I'm going to go ahead and take the Colorpop Nude palette. I'm going to take the color Au Naturale. And we're going to use that transition color just to blend out that first color that we put on there. Give it a nice blend. Now, don't come for me, but I have issues putting on my lashes. It's always a hassle for me just because my lashes are super, super curly. So if you have curly lashes like me, I know that it is super hard to put on the lashes. It kind of like just pops off. So it takes me a little while, but yeah, sis got. So our foundation today, we're going to be using the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation by NARS in the color Macao. And for our concealer, I'm going to go in with 3 different concealers. I'm taking the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer and the shade 11. And then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics Concealer in the color Light Beige and Medium Golden. Prior to using a powder, I like to use a liquid. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe Full Coverage Concealer in the color C4.25, and that's the color Warm. You can use any highlight that you want. Today I'm using the Fenty Flower Bomb highlight, and I'm just putting that in on my nose, on the tip of my nose, under the brow bone, and a little bit on the cheeks prior to setting that. Now, if you haven't tried this mascara, girl, it is everything. I found it on TikTok, and it is the Revlon Telescopic Mascara. Now, this mascara definitely does help to pop your eyes a little bit more. It definitely pushes out your lashes, your natural lashes, and most times you don't even need to wear falsies. So if you haven't tried this mascara, I definitely suggest. Now I'm taking the lip liner by Morphe in the color Trendsetter, and then I'm going to go in with their lip gloss in the color Chill. This combo is everything. I got this lip kit a while back ago, way before Christmas, New Year's. It's like, I'm talking months and months ago. So maybe they might still have it. I would go check Ulta. But this combo is everything. If you are my skin tone, and or if you are a brown girl, dark girl, whatever, woman of color, I think this would work for you. So definitely go check that out. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye, guys.
Freeze, photo, please, no photos.